My name is Lillian Su. I'm a medical oncologist at the Princess Margaret Cancer Center in Toronto. The presentation I'm going to make at this meeting is about immune resistance. We conducted a clinical trial called IRIS, which is immune resistance interrogation study, where we collected blood and tumor samples from patients who have just progressed on immunotherapy, either primary resistance or acquired resistance. And we have done multimodal analyses, including genomics, transcriptomics, also plasma analysis of extracellular vesicles to understand whether there are biomarkers that can predict which patients develop primary resistance, in other words, those never responded to immunotherapy, versus acquired resistance, in other words, those who responded and subsequently progressed, to have a better understanding of the biology of these two types of immune resistance.